This simple 10-minute system can help you consistently save over $1,000 every single month. And the best part is, you do not need extra income or a second job to make this system actually work for you. Most people waste small amounts of money every single day without even realizing where it is quietly going. You are probably doing it right now without noticing, and it feels completely normal and harmless to you. Let me show you the hidden money leak that is silently draining your finances a little bit every single day. It usually starts with small payments that feel way too tiny to ever really matter in your daily life. $5 here and $10 there feels harmless and insignificant, but you never really question it. But these tiny leaks slowly add up into a big amount, much faster than you ever expect them to grow. Now imagine this exact pattern repeating itself every single day for an entire month without stopping. That is exactly how your $1,000 disappears without you even realizing what really happened. Now here is the simple system that can completely change your money habits in just 10 focused minutes daily. Step 1 is simple. You track every single dollar you spend today, no matter how small or unimportant it feels. Yes, even that small coffee or quick snack you bought without thinking still needs to be written down clearly. This one simple step alone shocks most people because they finally see how much they are actually spending. Step 2 is to circle the expenses that gave you absolutely zero real value or benefit in your daily life. Ask yourself honestly, did this purchase actually improve my life, or was it just a quick, useless habit buy? Most of your answers will surprise you, and that realization is exactly what starts changing your behavior. Step 3 is to cut just 3 useless expenses, starting tomorrow. Not everything, just 3 simple ones. Just 3 small expenses that you honestly know you will not miss at all in your routine. This is where most people fail because they try to cut everything at once and end up feeling overwhelmed. So they quit within 2 days and quickly fall back into their old spending habits without any real change. But this system works because it stays small, simple, and easy to follow without overwhelming your daily life. Now comes the most powerful part of this method, the 10-minute daily check that builds strong awareness. Every single night, you sit down and review all your spending for the entire day without skipping. No judgment, no guilt, just simple awareness of where your money went and how your choices affected it today. This slowly builds control in your mind without stress or pressure and makes the habit easier to maintain. After just a few days, something strange begins to happen inside your mind when you start noticing patterns. You begin to notice your spending decisions even before you make them, and that changes everything. Slowly. That small moment of pause is exactly where your money starts getting saved instead of being wasted daily. Because now you are choosing your actions instead of reacting automatically to every small spending trigger. And this small change in awareness slowly creates a powerful shift in your daily behavior around spending. Now, let us break the math clearly, because this is where everything starts getting really interesting fast. If you cut just $30 each day, that quickly becomes around $900 saved in 1 month. Add a few smarter choices on top of that, and you can easily cross $1,000 saved every month. And remember, you did not work more hours or earn extra money to achieve this simple but powerful result. You simply stopped your money from leaking out silently through small daily habits you never noticed before. Most people ignore this idea because it feels way too simple and they believe it cannot really work at all. But simple systems are actually the ones that last longer because they are easier to follow consistently. Complicated plans break quickly under pressure, but simple habits stay with you and work for a very long time. So here is your challenge. Try this simple system consistently for just 7 days and watch what happens. No pressure, no perfection, just honest tracking and making a few small cuts that feel easy to follow daily. You will start seeing real changes in your spending habits much faster than you expect at the beginning. And once you start feeling that control, it becomes almost addictive to manage your money the right way. Because saving money slowly starts to feel much better and more rewarding than spending it on small things. That is the powerful shift most people never reach in their lifetime when it comes to money habits. And it all begins with just 10 minutes every single day, focusing on your spending and decisions clearly. No apps needed, no complicated tools, just your awareness and a simple system that actually works daily. So the real question right now is, will you finally decide to try this system starting from today, seriously? Or will you keep wondering where your money keeps disappearing every single month without clear answers? The choice may seem small right now, but the results can truly change your financial life over time. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your money slowly begins to stay with you instead of leaving daily. Because saving money is not about luck or income. It is about building awareness in your everyday decisions. And awareness is something you build slowly, one simple habit at a time, through small daily actions. You do not need to be perfect at all. You just need to take the first step and start improving from today. Even one small change that you make today can create a much bigger financial result for your tomorrow. So take 10 minutes tonight, sit down calmly, and take full control of your money with this simple system. Because this time, you are not guessing anymore. You are making clear decisions and taking full control. This system is simple, but it will only work if you actually follow it every single day without skipping. Start today, and your future self will thank you every single month when you see your savings growing. And if you want more simple systems like this, then go watch the next video right now and keep learning.